Welcome to this video lesson on calculating relative series. After completing this video, you will be able to join two datasets, calculate a currency and benchmark adjusted relative series, rebase a series. The most popular method to calculate the relative series is to divide the stock's close prices by the close prices of the index and the exchange rate. The product of benchmark index price and foreign exchange rate is often known as the adjustment factor. We multiply the relative series with the first value of the adjustment factor to create a rebased series. Rebasing makes it easy for us to compare the absolute stock price and the relative series. We will now learn how to calculate a relative series with the help of an example. To calculate the relative series, three distinct datasets are required: stock data, containing the stock's close prices, the benchmark, and currency exchange rates, containing the close prices of benchmark and forex data respectively. In this example, we will be using Bank of America and the S&P 500 linked index fund as the benchmark, and the USD/GBP exchange rate for the currency close prices. We first join the benchmark and currency exchange rate with the stock data as shown here. Once the datasets have been joined, we can safely proceed to calculate the adjustment factor and the relative series. The adjustment factor in this case is obtained by multiplying the S&P 500 benchmark index with the USD/GBP exchange rate. Since currencies tend to have a lot of decimals, it is preferable to limit the number of decimals by rounding the product. We then create a new column called relative series to distinguish the absolute stock price from the relative stock prices. In this column, you can compute the relative series by dividing the stock price with the adjustment factor. We then rebase the relative series to the first value of the stock price. We do this by multiplying the whole relative series column with the first value of the adjustment factor, which is 194.39. Now the rebased relative series is adjusted for the currency and index effects. In the next unit, you will learn how to calculate relative series in an IPython notebook, and how to calculate different types of returns.